Welcome to Mubit tips. In this tutorial we will show you how to join the content of two cells, that is first name and last name with an ampersand. Similarly we will show you how to join first name, middle name and last name into a full name. For this it doesn't require any function on Excel. We will proceed with ampersand. Put equal sign and select the first name and select ampersand to join with the second cell. Before that we need to give a quotation mark and give a space and enter the again quotation mark and select ampersand and select another cell and press enter. Drag this down to bottom to apply the same formula on this column to other cells. Now we will show simply how to do with the full name. Here we are joining the three cells. Press equal to, select first cell and select ampersand and give quotation, give space, give quotation and select ampersand, select middle name cell and select ampersand and give quotation and give space and select quotation, enter ampersand and select last name cell and press enter. Drop this down to apply the same formula to other cells in this column. With this we can join the contents of two or more cells into the same cell. Thanks for watching.